Chelsea will be looking to get back to winning ways when they take on Crystal Palace at Stamford Bridge on Saturday evening. Antonio Conte has been speaking to the media at his pre-match press conference this afternoon, and he's provided a team news and injury update ahead of the game. The Blues boss confirmed a huge fitness boost with the news that N'Golo Kante has been passed fit to face Palace after missing the defeat to Manchester City last weekend. Kante was withdrawn from the trip to the Etihad after passing out shortly before the game, but he's trained all week and is now back in contention to face Palace on Saturday. Teammate Bakayoko could also be back in the squad this weekend after returning to full training this week following 3 weeks on the sidelines with a calf injury, but a place on the bench may be the best he can hope for. However, there wasn't such positive news on David Luiz as he's still missing, with the Brazilian international continuing to struggle with an ankle injury that's kept him out for over a month. Luiz Barkley is also not available for selection as the midfielder is still working his way back to full fitness from a hamstring injury that's hampered him all season. On teammate Bakayoko, Conte says he has been training with the squad for the last week and his physical condition is not bad. He adds it's important to remember the midfielder is still very young and he has the right personality to become an important player. Number Czechry Chelsea head into the weekend action sitting 5th in the table and 5 points off the top 4, so Conte desperately needs a win over Palace to maintain their hopes of qualifying for the Champions League next season.